In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Microsoft Excel worksheet directly from your desktop, providing a quick and efficient way to organize and manage your data. Let's jump right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're at your computer, ready to get started. Take a look at your desktop screen. This is your starting point for creating a new Excel file. Now, using your mouse, navigate to any open area on your desktop. Here's where the magic begins. You're going to want to use the right mouse button to click on this open space. This right-click action will reveal a list of options that are contextually linked to your desktop. It's a handy feature to quickly access some core functions, such as creating new files. In the menu that appears after your right-click, you should spot an option labeled New. Hover your cursor over it and click. This action will reveal a secondary menu. From here, you'll see various types of new files and folders you can create directly from your desktop. Scroll through these options until you find Microsoft Excel Worksheet. Go ahead and click on this option. What happens now is that a new Excel file will instantly appear on your desktop, ready for use. After you create the new file, it's time to give it a proper name. You'll notice that the file is initially titled something like New Microsoft Excel Worksheet. However, this is your opportunity to personalize it to make it easy to identify and retrieve later. Single-click the file name, which will allow you to rename it. Enter your desired name that reflects the content or purpose of this Excel document. For instance, if this spreadsheet is meant for tracking monthly expenses, you could name it Monthly Expenses 25. Once you've named your file, hit Enter to save this designation, and there you have it. Your Excel worksheet is now ready to open and populate with your data. This desktop shortcut method is especially useful when you want to hit the ground running with a new worksheet without the need to open additional programs like Excel directly from the application menu. This entire process not only streamlines the creation of new Excel files, but also keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a new Excel worksheet right from the convenience of your desktop. With your file ready and named, you can now launch it and start entering your data or organizing your information as needed. This method ensures you have swift access to data management and can keep your projects moving forward without delay. And that's it for today's guide. I hope you found these instructions helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a fantastic day setting up your spreadsheets.